Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Talking Tech. Today we are going to take a look at the i500 TWS earbuds. Now these are proudly brought to you by podsbay.com. So shout out to Podsbay for providing these to us. This packaging was proprietary from Podsbay. They decided to send me just a special version just with a bit of their logo and their website. So check them out. I'll leave a description in the link below. But the ones that you buy will have the plain white box as well. These ones are just for me for testing. So the i500 TWS, before we get right into it, it's got Siri as part of it, an INI sensor which pauses what you're doing when you remove it. It's got the H1 chip, it's improved from the i200 TWS, improved battery life and a heck load more features. So it's definitely worth it. We'll get right into it just to see what they're like. So this is, again, not the box that you will be getting. It will be a plain white one. And then we go Podsbay. So Podsbay is super reliable, super quick and really good support and really good shipping as well. They've been really good to me. They've treated me really well and I'm sure they treat all their customers just the same. So iOS to connect with iPhone, turn on Bluetooth, connect earbud and start listening. Super easy. And use with other devices. Your earbuds will need to be paired manually with each new device and will not sync over iCloud. Your earbuds will work with any Bluetooth enabled device but are unsupported by Apple directly. This may sometimes cause connection issues when Apple releases new hardware or software. Okay, there you go. Connect to other devices. Let's get that to focus a bit better. There we go. To activate Siri, you must tap twice on your left earbud. It does not support Hey Siri. So next song, 3 taps on right. Previous song, 3 taps on the left one. Play, pause, 2 taps on the right. And so on. So the charge status, LED light shows the charge status. A green LED is fully charged and a red LED needs charging. So 30 days warranty. Thank you. We do not recommend using fast charging for long periods as it has been shown to degrade batteries. A recommended 5-watt wireless charger, not fast charger. A lightning connector can also be used for charging and is recommended. And then for calls, our earbuds are not supported or recommended for this purpose. We do not accept. Okay, so they're not saying it's not the best for calls or microphone. So at least they're very honest about it. I appreciate that as well. And here they are. So let's check what's in this little box first. We'll take that out. Presumably the cable. There it is, a little lightning port, lightning cable to charge it. It'll work with any of your other lightning ones, and there it is, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So there's your button. It's got a little bit of plastic as well, and oh, there it is. And you can just pull that off. So automatically it feels super high quality. Because these are essentially 1-for-1, you wouldn't be able to tell much difference. Now they're saying improved battery life of 3.5, 4 hours, sometimes 4.5. Some of the other features, it's got unit markings, it's got the H1 chip, fully compatible with iOS and Android, 4 to 4.5 hour battery life, good sound quality, weighs 46 grams, does have wireless charging, but I do recommend not using it for long periods of time. It's got good Hinge support, INI sensor, 1-to-1 dimensions, pair with all your devices. It's got the pop-up screen as well, and they're pretty affordable. And it feels premium, so it's got the really nice click. Then you've got this button. Now these probably need a charge before I can use them. There they are. Now you put it in and it just slides in magnetically. Feels really good. It does feel really premium, so you can tell that they've put a decent amount of effort into these and are worth the money that you're paying. So thanks again to Podsbay for shouting these to us so we can do this video. Now I'm going to charge them and test them with an iPad quickly, so I'll just get that and I'll be back in a second. That's really satisfying. It's got a good silver hinge here. Feels really good just to do this again and again. Here are the AirPods themselves. They've got the hole there. They're not, so a lot of the cheaper ones will have just a painted black hole, just basically a painted bit of black here and here and here, but this actually has the holes to indicate that they're doing something. So as you can see, we'll try to get a bit closer and focus. That is a hole. That one is painted. The little black one, that's painted. That one's a hole, and that one's a hole. So there's 3 holes there, most of which will align with the Apple quality, and we'll come back soon after we've tested them a bit and shown you connectivity. And we are back now that we have charged this bad boy, and we're going to show you what the pop-up window is like on the iPad. So basically you can click that. It shows me that my battery is orange, probably needs to charge. Didn't charge it for long just to get this test done. Open it, and there it is. As you can see, it says not your AirPods. AirPods not connected to this iPad. Connect. Press and hold button on the back of the charging case. And that's it. It's connecting. And that's it. Done. It's that easy. And there it is. Yanni's AirPods. That's my name. And so the case is 20%, and the earphones themselves are 100 each. And I have tested them out on my iPhone as well before I did this test, and they are super good. They are really good quality. They're really crisp, but they could be a little bit bassier, but for the money you're paying, they're actually really decent, given that they're not going to be the highest end compared to the Apple AirPods, but they look exactly the same. They feel exactly the same. They've got that nice little click to it. They charge really well, a bit of a whine when they're charging, but apart from that, they're super good and they're super reliable. I've had them with no issues at all. As you can see, they just open and shut super quickly. The battery is dropping on the charging case purely because I didn't really give it enough charge, but it's good that the AirPods themselves are charged. We take them out and they're good to go. So chuck that back in. You wait for it, you open it, you wait for it to pop up. So it has run out, it basically run out of charge, but basically you just open, take them out, listen, and you're good to go. So there it is. There are the i500 TWS, courtesy of Podsbay. Check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below. And again, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.